Good morning, everyone. Now I'm back. First of all, we will recapitulate what we have done in our previous class. Beta, we were discussing the story of Village Palampur, in which we have discussed the farmer, the farming in the village Palampur, and we studied about land, that land is fixed, the cropping season, village of Palampur, the farmers of Palampur were practicing Rabi and Kharif, both the season. Then we have discussed the farming pattern, in which we have seen single crop system, double crop system, and multiple cropping is also used in village Palampur. And then we have discussed the method of farming, in which we have seen both the traditional method as well as modern method of farming was used in Palampur. Small farmers were using traditional farming and the big farmers were using modern farming method. Today we will discuss what were the effect of modern farming method. Scientific reports indicated that the modern farming methods have overused the resources, natural resources. That means by using modern farming method, the natural resources were get exploited. So modern farming method put a big question mark on the sustainability of land. There were a big question that will the land sustain by overusing the natural resources, make the soil less fertile and reduces the groundwater level. So now the sustainability of land was an question. Look, in our previous chapter, in our previous class, we have discussed by using modern farming method, the villages of Palampur become rich and become prosperous. But now we are discussing that modern farming methods become harmful for the soil. But everything has two aspects. There is positive as well as negative aspects of everything. So we will discuss the positive as well as negative aspect of modern farming method. When we will discuss modern positive aspects of modern farming method, then we have to discuss about green revolution. What is the meaning of green revolution? Green revolution is the revolution in the field of agriculture. That means by using HYV seed, by using modern farming method, in which by using HYV seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides, and modern method of irrigation, we have increased the production of food crops. But just after independence, there were lack of food crops in India. We have to import food crops from Britain or America. And that was the big challenge before India. And by using modern farming method, we have increased our food production. That was known as Green Revolution. So, what is the meaning of Green Revolution? Increasing the production of food crops by using modern farming method is called Green Revolution. It brings a revolution in the field of agriculture. So, what were the area in which Green Revolution we have seen? In the decades of 1960, the Punjab, the state of Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh, modern farming methods were used because there were already soil was fertile there, and in this area there were natural irrigation system was good, and by some effort we have achieved our goal. We have increased our food production, to which we are called Green Revolution. Now we will see what are the advantages and disadvantages of Green Revolution, or you can say modern farming method. But due to modern farming method, we have achieved Green Revolution. So, advantages of Green Revolution are the advantage of modern farming method, and disadvantage of modern farming method is also the disadvantage of Green Revolution. Don't forget. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss the advantages of modern farming method or advantages of Green Revolution. High yield due to use of HYV seed. By modern farming method, we produced high yield, means lot of amount of food grains. In modern farming method, we have used machines like tractor, thresher, that made plowing and harvesting faster and easier. Higher yielding enable farmers to sell the surplus food in the market to earn more money. By using modern farming method, villagers can earn more money by selling their surplus food grains. Pesticides and insecticides protect the crop from pests and insects. It was the great achievement because before modern method of farming, farmers' crops were destroyed by pests. But using insecticides and pesticides, we have controlled that damage. And a good irrigation system enhances the crop production. These were the advantage of Green Revolution or modern farming method. Now some disadvantages were there also. What were the disadvantages? By using modern method farming, soil fertility start decreasing. Why? When we have used chemical fertilizer, that chemical mixed with soil, and overuse of fertilizer loses the fertility of soil. Then continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation reduces the groundwater level. Environmental resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up by over uh, uh, by over many years. Once it is destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. So next disadvantage is chemical fertilizers dissolve in the groundwater and pollute it. When we use chemical fertilizer, the chemicals of that fertilizer mix with water and pollute our water resources. Chemical fertilizer kill bacteria and microorganisms of soil which are helpful for the farmers. Then increased use of fertilizer and over irrigation make the soil alkaline. So these are the disadvantages of modern farming method. The next topic I will discuss in my next video. So stay.